Hello ladies, and welcome to My Natural Hair Delight. My name is Brittany Shine, and today I am here to tell you about the ebook. It's coming May the 1st. May the 1st, 2023. This year is coming, okay? So it will be available on the website at mynaturalhairdelight.com. So please go check it out. I have the description of what My Natural Hair Delight is all about. So please, if you are interested in growing your natural hair with all natural ingredients, you want to get this book. This book is not just a story about my life. This is not about me, okay? Let me just put that out there right now. There are testimonials about me, but the entire book has really nothing to do with me. It's about helping you all to grow your natural hair with all natural ingredients. So, what is this ebook all about? This ebook is simply for all of you ladies who are struggling to grow your natural hair. If you have hair loss around your edges, if you have alopecia, if you have any type of hair damage, or if your hair is always shedding or always breaking out, or if you just want to learn how to moisturize your hair, this book is for you. It's going to teach you how to wash your hair, how to maintain your hair, how to co-wash, how to deep condition your hair. Not just that, but to make a natural deep conditioner from scratch, to make a natural shampoo from scratch, to make all of the things that I apply to my hair. I'm going to teach you how you can do it as well. And if you don't want to make it yourself, that's totally fine. I will have it available on the website. Now, I'm only starting out with one product at a time because for those of you who do not know, we are a new business, so we don't have all the products just laid out in front of you right now. But we do have a product that will moisturize your hair and your scalp, okay? So please, please, please mark your calendar for May the 1st. It is coming soon. The ebook is finally coming, and it's also an audio. So you will not only have the ebook available, but you will also have the audio book combined with the ebook. And I'm also going to be giving you all in the package, I'm going to give you all 10 videos that's going to help you to take care of your hair, maintain it, moisturize it, boost your hair growth, and so much more. Like this is going to bless your life. This ebook is called I Want My Hair Back, okay? Now, I know that there are a lot of women who don't really care to show their natural hair, but after you read this book, I want you to at least rock your natural hair for 7 days. Just start out rocking your natural hair for 7 days. And that's what I'm going to be talking about in the ebook as well. So stay tuned. Thank you ladies for watching. Thank you for all of the comments, the likes. Thank you all for subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you for following us on Facebook. Thank you for the Instagram and the TikTok likes and the followers. We love you all. We love you all. I cannot express how much I thank you all for just being interested in My Natural Hair Delight. It's not about me. It's not about my hair. It's about your hair. It's about your confidence. It's about showing your true identity in Christ. For those of you who are believers in Christ, I am a firm believer in Jesus. And so this business is faith-based, and I love the Lord. And you will see some scriptures in the ebook as well. So thank you, ladies, for watching. I hope that this has inspired you to rock your natural hair, or at least to consider your natural hair. And I will talk to you all again soon. Bye-bye.